Catherine.
And I'm Shivani, and today we're going to be doing the Blindfolded Slime Challenge.
So how this works is that we're going to basically just make slime, but we're going to be blindfolded. So we might add too much or too less, and this might go wrong, but
it might turn brown.
yeah. But the goal is we have to make a slime.
Yeah. So, but before we get started, make sure you guys press the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up. If you do all three of those things, you'll become part of our GMG squad. Without further ado, let's get started. So guys, now that we've mixed up all the things, now we're gonna start.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's start now. So hard. All right, you took the glue.
I took the glue. Okay. Oh, that's sticky.
I'm gonna use a clear glue first. So I'm just gonna.
I'm scared I'm not pouring it in my bowl.
Yeah, that's the scary part. Like you might pour it
Ow.
out and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
I think this is some glitter glue. I'm gonna pour this in.
I don't know.
Alright, I'm actually gonna pour it on. We're gonna have the
I don't know. Okay,
Where's the clear glue?
I think this is it. I might need more.
Okay,
I don't know how much.
I'm scared now. Here's the
I
thingy,
don't think-
and then here's my bowl. I think I'm pouring it in.
This keeps on flying up.
Alright.
Okay,
Where's the cap? You have the cap?
I don't know.
I'm just gonna put it right here.
Okay.
Where's my bowl? Okay, here's my bowl.
Wait,
I have some
I want
glue.
foam balls.
Okay, you touched the glue, now I'm just going.
Wait, where am I? I'm so
What should I do
confused.
now? I'm gonna add some glitter. Where's the
Did I get it in the bowl?
My hands are
know.
gluey. Oh, I'm getting some food coloring.
Oh yeah, I need food coloring.
I don't know which food colors to choose.
I
think this
I
is-
like all of the colors.
I'm just gonna use
using
this one right here.
I think
I
I hope this is blue.
How do you open this thing? My hands are all.
Oh yeah, this is hard.
All right, so now I'm gonna pick
I think
food
it's
coloring. I want this one. Glitter. That's glitter.
Oh wait, yeah, I think I dropped something in my bowl.
Oh.
Did I? I think I dropped something in my bowl.
This is some food coloring. I wish this is blue. I really want blue.
My thing keeps on slipping.
I
I want this color. Do I really want that? I don't know. Cause I don't want any like.
add some food coloring in. Okay, now I think I want some glitter.
Did I get any in?
I don't know. I'm gonna add this glitter. All the glitters are a good color. So
Yeah,
I'm
all
gonna-
the glitters
I don't
are
really
really
care what
bad.
glitter I get, but I really want silver and stuff.
I want silver, just in case I get like green. I don't want purple glitter. I hope this is silver.
I think I added too much
Silver.
glitter.
I hope this is
I don't know.
silver.
Okay, now I'm gonna add some foam balls. Where are the foam balls? Oh, I think I see them right here. Gonna add some
I
foam
think
balls.
I added enough glitter.
This is.
I feel like there's a cap in my thing. I think I want to add a bit more.
I'm gonna add some silver glow. Where's the silver glow?
I think I want to add a bit more food
I'm
dye.
scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
I think I want to add a bit more food dye.
Oh. This is, I think this is, I don't know, is this silver? I don't know.
Is food dye in my bowl? I don't know.
So
I
scared.
think it's in my bowl. Where's my spoon?
I'm just gonna add this right here. I don't really know what this is. I'm just gonna add it.
I'm so scared.
Alright, so.
I think I want some glitter.
I think I'm done with my thing.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it. Actually, I want more foam balls. Where are the foam balls?
Somewhere near me. I put some in last time.
Which side?
Oh gosh!
Oh, I found it. Sorry, did I mess something up?
No,
Probably
you
did.
messed my hand. It's like,
Oh, wait,
I'm
need
gonna add some activator and then I think I'm done. I'm just gonna mix.
I'm gonna mix
I want the
it.
magical bottle, not the whole thing. Is this the magical liquid? Yeah, magical liquid. I think.
Can I have the magical liquid after?
Just a second. I'm gonna put this in my slime. I'm gonna pass it to you.
Oh my god, it's so crunchy. I might have added way too many foam balls. Might have. I just might. But I still feel like I need more.
Alright, I think I had too much magical liquid.
I'm adding little
Here's
by
here.
little.
Where is my spoon? Got my spoon. I'm so scared.
Okay, I think that's all I want to add right now. That's way too less.
Whoa, I'm gonna this is gonna fall down. Oh gosh. I'm mixing mine. I think I need.
So guys, we've been kneading for so long, and our slimes are finally starting to come together. Look,
Did you put your table on? Oh,
it's on the table.
mine's activated now. I'm gonna put it on the table. We activated it. Finally, we activated
I
it.
want to add a little bit more glue.
We did lots of stirring and stuff.
Something fell.
Uh-oh.
It's slime. Someone get that down. Get that up. Otherwise, something's gonna happen, and our carpet's gonna be a mess.
Oh gosh.
So guys,
Alright,
we're
so
gonna
I
take off our blindfold
Yeah.
now.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh!
It's so pretty. Wait. Oh my gosh. You want green?
I want a green.
Seriously?
I
I really love
so
the. It's like so
pretty.
pokey. Give me fingers. Give me fingers. Oh, yours is really nice.
Mine's really thick.
Mine's a really dark green color.
I'm gonna get all
It
of this
reminds
in.
me of Christmas theme and stuff. Like Christmas tree.
Sad thing is, it's summer.
Yeah.
We should have made like a
Like
Mine's a
yellow,
beach
blue. Yours is a beach. It's a
Mine's a
ocean.
beach.
But mine's a
Wait a
Christmas slime,
second.
though.
So
Alright,
guys,
this is our slime.
it's so pretty. Mine's a really nice.
Mine's a really dark green color. It's like Christmas color. It's really jiggly. So I love it. I love the color. But I hate the color, but I love the pokiness and stuff.
You just said you love the color.
Let's see. Am I cheating? Nobody was cheating this round, right? I was cheating.
I was saying, I just said, is it cheating to add more glue in? I think so.
I'm not gonna add anything else. I don't really like foam balls in here, but
Why not?
I added lots of foam balls in here, but it doesn't even show. Look at this.
Yeah.
All right.
Wait.
Really nice. Oh my gosh! Like whenever I crunch it.
I was right. I dropped a cap in my slime.
Did you drop anything
Oh,
else in
there's
here?
some. I might have dropped.
I don't think I dropped anything in here.
Yeah, you're much
Because
more
mine
organized.
is really good.
Oh wait, I found something. Okay, so I dropped another thing. This was a green one. This is so pretty.
I love this slime. It's like
It's-
the best slime I ever made.
I know, this is so
Alright.
big.
Oh gosh.
Like, does it stretch? Oh, we should try making bubbles.
Yeah, the bubbles. I love bubbles.
I like how I dragged it all to you. Then you dragged it all.
Oh gosh.
Bubbling.
I'm gonna make a bubble. Make a bubble.
Oh,
that's-
all the foam beads fell down.
Alright, 3, 1. Okay, I'm good with it. 3, 2, 1, go. That's a really nice bubble.
Okay,
so this is
so
fine.
we're
We're
gonna
gonna
do the
three
bubbles
tricks.
again.
We're gonna do 3 tricks. Okay, you go
Let's
first.
do the bubble again.
You go first. Yeah, you go first. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a
The bubble and then a
poking
swirl.
and a swirl. Oh, it's so pretty. The bubble.
Oh, mine wasn't as big as last time.
And now it's time for me. Alright. And go. Whoa!
Oh my
That's
God.
huge!
Wait, let me.
Alright guys, comment down below which bubble
You thought was better. Wait, let me do it. Go again.
Alright,
Count my first. Count my very first bubble.
Yeah.
Very first.
Count my one that I just
Okay.
did.
So now we're
Now
gonna do the
time to
swirl,
swirl.
and this is a really giant slime. So I
Mine
think
is-
we're gonna split it in
Mine
half.
is really jiggly.
I think we should split it in half so that we don't have to do a giant swirl.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna split it. Like that.
That's like slime.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Let's do a swirl.
This is a nice one.
I'm gonna
I always love doing swirls.
Alright, let's do this. I swirl.
Okay.
This is not really coming out good because I have it.
You have a
kinda
really jiggly slime.
And it's kind of sticky too. But not that sticky though.
Mine came out perfect. Get a close up, people. Look at my slime. Oh. I'm gonna do it again.
My
Get a
swirl
close
is
up.
over
Guys.
here.
Get a close up this time. Look. This is my one.
That's really nice actually.
It's my slime. Okay. The
Now
next.
it's time for me.
Oh, and make sure, guys, to tell us which one you like better.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so pretty. Very good. We're gonna get all this.
Here's my swirl. It's kind of It did really good.
Yeah, but everything
But
was-
comment down below which one you liked better. Now it's time for the final.
Poke one. And we're gonna do the giant poke, so like
Cool.
aggression removable.
Yeah.
Removable aggression. I don't know.
Alright. I'm gonna make mine really thick. If it's thick, it's better.
Yeah,
If it's thin, it's not better. Also, let's be really quiet and see which audience is better too.
Okay, everyone be quiet.
Everybody be quiet. That's really good. Okay, now it's time for my turn.
That's my ASMR.
Now it's my turn. Okay, be quiet, be quiet, be quiet.
Her slime's so sticky it moves the entire table.
Alright guys, so
So make
that's
sure
the
you
final.
comment down below which one was
Yeah.
better.
And
then
also, we have a little extra. Comment down below which color you like the best. I don't know which one.
I don't know. I like the color of both of them, but I like the texture.
Yeah, mine's
It's really jiggly. So guys, that's the end of this video. We really hope you enjoyed, and make sure to keep commenting down suggestions for future videos. But until then, make sure you keep on making slime.
Bye. Peace out.